The topic, the third equation of the motion. So how can we find the third equation of the motion? Our equation can represent the relation among the initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and the distance known as the third equation of the motion. And how can we derive the third equation of the motion? We can easily derive the third equation of the motion, the initial velocity, final velocity, distance, time and the acceleration. Explanation: the third equation of the motion. Consider a body having the mass m and the body kept at the surface of the earth at ground with the initial velocity. The position of the body at point A at rest. So, when apply the external force on this body, so the body started the motion and changed the position. Suppose that after applied the force on the body, it reached another point B to the point A. So the body covered the distance. When we observe, the initial velocity of the body also changed from initial to the final, and the final velocity denoted by the Va. So at this time, the body have the two velocity. The initial is the Vi and the final is the Vl. So we also know that according to the statement of the average velocity, the sum of the initial velocity and the final velocity divided by the two called to be the average velocity. So we can write this relation by the following: V bar is equal to Vi plus Vf divided by 2. Also we know that the rate of the distance known as the speed. So according to the statement of the speed formula, V bar is equal to S divided T after the cross multiplication. So we can write the S is equal to V bar into T. When we observe the equation third has no any time for the derivation equation. So cancellation the time. So we know that the rate of change in velocity called to be the acceleration. So according to the formula of the acceleration, A is equal to Vf negative Vi is divided by T. Interchange the time to the acceleration. So we can write T equal to Vf negative Vi divided A in equation number 4. So the value of the T put in equation number 3. So we can write the new relation by the following: S is equal to Vi plus Vf is to 2 into Vf negative Vi is to A, by using the formula of the A square negative B square equal to the A negative B and multiplication A plus B. So use the formula. We can write S is equal to Vf square negative Vi square is divided by 2A after the cross multiplication. 2aS is equal to Vf square negative Vi square. This is the derivation of the third equation of the motion, and we can derive the third equation of the motion by the following procedure. Thank you.